Excellency, please, we want to know about border killing because it is a matter of
So it was more to introduce each other and also to exchange views on the broader relationship. Not very detailed, but this was an introductory meeting. And as I said earlier also to all of you, we are working to engage. We are closely engaging with the government of Bangladesh to fulfill the shared aspirations of our people for peace, security and development. And we will continue to take forward the relationship in multifaceted areas in which we are engaged. It's a very important relationship for us, and we look forward to taking this forward even more in the coming years.
Excellency, please, we want to know about border killing because it is a matter of
আড়াইশোটিরও বেশি ডিজাইন অপশন নিয়ে ওয়ালটন স্মার্ট ফ্রিজ বোঝে আপনার প্রয়োজন।